Lani, how easy, difficult was it to accept Luigi? Luigi, of course, is the son of Bong by another mother.
Yeah.
Okay.
At first, ano yan chismis lang, naririnig-rinig lang. I spoke to the mother once over a telephone conversation. Pagkatapos nun, wala. Tapos, namatay ang mother-in-law ko 1998. Luigi was brought to the house kasi doon yung buron ng mother-in-law ko. He was around 2 years old.
Okay.
But Bong told me that he will be visiting my mother-in-law. So when he first came into the room sa bahay namin, wala, parang nag-melt na yung heart ko. So I embraced the boy. That was my first experience in seeing Luigi.
Nagalit ka, Tibo?
Siyempre sa una, normal na magagalit ka. Kasi masakit yun Pinagtaksilan ka At may bunga yung pagtataksil na yun. Pero as time goes by, inisip ko kasi that I also came from a second family. I came from a second relationship of my mom. Although hiwalay na sila nung first husband niya. And inaccept ako ng mga kapatid ko. Nang parang buo kami. So ngayon, kahit kami magkaiba ng tatay, pag may mga problema kami, magkakasama kami, tulungan kami.
Meron na akong kaibigan, he doesn't subscribe to the concept of half. Pagkapatid mo, kapatid mo.
Kapatid mo.
Meron siyang pananaw na gano'n. And I respect that. Na parang, sabi niya, I don't buy into this concept of half-sister and half-brother. If you're my brother, you're my brother.
Yes, that's true.
Oo.
So,
balikan ko lamang, Lani. The very first time you spoke to the mother of Luigi, I'm sorry to ask because that leads me to my next question.
Yes.
How was that conversation? Nakikipag-away ka?
Hindi ko siya inaaway. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya, ako nandito na ako sa marriage na to. I have been here for how many years. Ikaw pumapasok ka. Although, siguro ngayon ko lang ito sasabihin
This
sa
is the
publiko.
first time I actually heard the story too.
Siguro ito yung first time ko sasabihin sa publiko. The mother of Luigi was Bong's former girlfriend before me. Yes. So I would understand the relationship.
All right.
And the relationship rekindled after I lost my daughter noong 1991. So it was very difficult for me because I just lost a child. So ganun siya kabigat. And when I was talking to her, I was explaining to her na you still have a way out kasi you're not married. I am here for life. And I'm here to stay. Through thick and thin. So whatever you have with my husband, I hope ma-realize mo na hindi ito maganda. Pero alam mo, things happen.
Of course.
May mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi natin maintindihan. And it happened, so I cannot erase the past.
Lani, did you ever call other girls?
I don't remember of any.
To keep your marriage?
No.
To fight for your love?
No. I'm not confrontational, boy.
You're not?
I'm not. I will always stay by my man. I will tell my man what I have in my heart. Masakit man o hindi, sasabihin ko sa kanya. But I'm here. I am always here to fight for the family. And that's what I tell the couples that I wed in Bacoor. Kasi nagkakasal ako as a mayor. So I always advise them, you have to stick out your marriage. You're not here just for a few years, tapos pag ayaw nyo na, wala na. You have to stick it out through thick and thin. For better or for worse.
So, when people say...
Pinaiyak mo yata ako, boy.
I'm sorry. So when people say, martir sila ni Mercado, how do you react?
Kung ang pagiging martir ay pinaglalaban mo kung ano ang para sa'yo at anong karapat-dapat na para sa'yo because you have other people to take care of, not just yourself. It's your children, it's your family, and it is your right to take care of it no matter what. Martir ako. Guilty ako doon. Yun.
Was there a time in your marriage when you almost walked away?
Ay, maraming beses. Maraming beses. Pero I've always remembered what my dad told me before. Na when you walk out of a relationship, out of your marriage, always put in mind that you will not go back. Matindi, no?
Oo.
Matindi yun. So,
Right.
every time I want to move out, I want to get out and just end it, I remember what my dad told me. Pag ikaw nagdesisyon na umalis,
Huwag kang babalik.
huwag ka nang babalik. At pag bumalik ka, may problema ka. So yun talaga yung nag-stick sa utak ko. Kaya siguro up to now, I am here. Siyempre, I love my children, I love my family, I love Bong, and that's the reason why I am here for them.
That's true.
Yun.
No, but the wisdom of parents, wala talagang kapantay, Brian. Halimbawa, yung sinabi ng tatay mo, di ba?
Oo.
Ngayon, when I'm trying to process it, pag umalis ka, siguraduhin mong hindi ka babalik.
Hindi ka babalik.
Kasi, pag-iisipan mo talaga siya ng mabuti. Iproproseso mo. Ang dami, no? Ang daming konsiderasyon.
At saka I see failed marriages among my siblings. So nakikita ko, I try to compare, when did you leave? They never came back? What happened to you? At your age, can you still recover? Marami ka talagang dapat ikaw-consider.
Tama.
Kaya talagang 100 times mo talaga, more than 100 times mo iisipin.
Pag-iisipan. Lani, if you were to give a piece of advice to your son, Brian, sa isang bagay na may kinalaman sa pag-ibig, what piece of advice would you give him?
Anak, pag nagmahal ka,
All out na po.
siguro, leave a piece of yourself. Hindi pwedeng talagang todo bigay
Lani,
lahat.
is that possible?